How to use the Phantasm plugin from Astute Graphics with symbols and halftone. Now, first thing to do is go to the Phantasm panel, bring that panel up, and appearance. They're the two key panels in this. Now, there's the Phantasm panel, and what you can do, just create a quick circle, and it could of course be any other shape, doesn't have to be, for the example for this video. Now, click on the halftone live effect, just there on the Phantasm panel, and you've got the panel there, it appears, Phantasm halftone. Whole load of features. There's options for grid, regular, etc. I'm just going to go for grid alternating because I want some gaps in the design, so I'm going to go for that. And the key thing then is to select the symbol and just select one of the symbols that's available or one of the symbols you've actually created already. You can modify the DPI. I'm going to go with a fairly low setting so you can actually see more of the symbols, and you can see the symbols behind there. You just see the symbols done there. Now, there's not many other settings you particularly need to do at this point, and you can see the symbols there. You can change the width and height, and there's the key thing, the symbol there. Just select it there, click OK. So once it's done, you can see the design there. Now bring the symbols in. The symbols I'm using in this video are those ones. Just create them very quickly. You can create any kind of symbols, just star designs, circle designs, whatever. Appearance panel, you can see there you've got the Phantasm halftone. It's been created, but what I want to do is drag it into the fill, so you can see it now as Phantasm halftone included within the fill. Because what I want to do is select that, then right click on the first up there and duplicate that item. So you'll end up with two fills. Now they're identical, exactly identical. And what you want to do then is you can just go to Phantasm halftone again, just click on that, and it brings up the panel again. Now you can change them, don't have to be equal, they can actually be modified. And I just want to go and select the different symbol. Now you see at that point, could of course be any symbol, but I've just added another symbol. You can just, in relative to selection, relative to upward, doesn't particularly matter. But what you can do is you can modify the X and Y. So you can move that across, move that the other way, up again by just the Y there, just move it up. And you can repeat this, of course. You can actually create 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different symbols and then just build up a more complex symbol design there. You can use symbols in multiple ways in that way. So you could, of course, use symbols with letters A, B, or maybe text, and so much more. Just shift it up. You can create different designs just by doing that, just shifting them up. Now, once you're happy with that, and there's not particularly other settings you need to set, click OK, and then you see you've got a panel there, you've got Phantasm. You can also change the fill colour, modify other things, and that will change the size. Just click there, and you can see you've got the various swatches that you can select. So you can just change the sizes very quickly by using that approach. And of course, there's a lot more you can do with symbols with Phantasm as well. But that's just a quick run through with the alternating design. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.